Sheikh, my question is that are we sinful for watching New Year's Eve fireworks without any intention of celebrating it? Because, like, my family goes out and watches the fireworks, but we do not celebrate such events or engage in such parties or anything like that. Jazakallah khair.
Wajazakum. It's an issue of dispute. Some would say there is no sin. I'm just enjoying the colorful display of fireworks, and I'm enjoying the weather, and it looks nice, and that's it. Others say, well, actually, these fireworks are the result of a haram celebration. Muslims do not celebrate the New Year, and they don't imitate the disbelievers, as the Prophet ﷺ had warned us 15 centuries ago when he said, you will follow the footsteps of those before you, even if it's a handspan, even if they enter a lizard's hole, you will follow them and enter it. So the people ask, who are those before us, O Prophet ﷺ? Are they the Jews and the Christians? And the Prophet astonishingly said to them, who then? Who else then? Meaning that they are the Jews and the Christians. And nowadays, we see so-called quote-unquote Muslims trying to be moderate, trying to be civil, and they imitate the disbelievers in everything they do, to the extent that you may find someone's name's Abdullah or Muhammad or Abdurrahman, Muslim, having a Christmas tree in his house. Duh. You may find Muslims gathering their family on New Year's Eve and celebrating. You might find couples or families doing the countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, for midnight. A'udhu billah. What else is left? Hang a cross, maybe? I don't know. So definitely, my own personal view is a Muslim should prevent his family, himself, from admiring such rituals that would soften his heart and probably introduce elements of hypocrisy without him knowing it, creeping into his heart little by little until he starts to question Islamic values, until he starts to wonder, why don't we have similar things like they do? Look at our Sheikh when he comes on the Friday sermon. He has a long beard and he's wearing Islamic dress and he shouts on the pulpit, the day of judgment and you will all go to hell. This is what they say. But when we go to a church and we see the preacher wearing a 2 or 3-piece suit with a tie and clean shaven, he looks nice, and all the colored windows and all these clean places, and the man playing the organ, and they chant and dance. This is cool, man. Unlike what our Muslim imams are doing. Subhanallah. Look at the hypocrisy. This is what we are inserting in our children's hearts without us knowing it. And this is what a Muslim must be really careful of. We have to build our Islamic identity. Sheikh, give me a break. My Islamic identity is going to be affected by watching the fireworks? It might be. Better safe than sorry. But as I said, it's an issue of dispute. Some would say it's okay. Me personally, I would never ever go or be seen in a place where people just go by the lake and look, let alone pay 400 or 500 euros or dirham or dollars to get a table and drink coffee and watch it. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us all.